Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the alarm and hourly chime on your Casio GA-2100, the Casioak module 5611. So this means that this tutorial is going to work for all Casioak models out there. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and also check out our two websites, watchesineurope.com for watch reviews and tutorials, and vintageradar.com for vintage and pre-owned watches. So the first thing that you want to do is to press the mode button until you arrive at the alarm function. I'm going to show you how to turn it on and off, and also how to set an alarm. So we are going to press the mode button. The first thing that appears is the world time, then we have the stopwatch, then we have the timer, and if you press it one more time, here we have the alarm and the hourly beep. Now you can use the start button in order to toggle between different options. So the first thing we have alarm 1, alarm 2, alarm 3, 4 and 5. All of them are not on, and as you can see are set for midnight, so 0, 0. If you press the adjust button, you are going to turn on that exact alarm. So let's say you want only alarm 5 to be on. Also, as you can see on the digital screen, we now have the ALM appearing on the dial. So now we know that the alarm is on. If I move even further to the hourly beep, this is going to beep every full hour. So let's say 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and so on. Now it is off. If I press the adjust button, it is now on. And also right here on the dial, you can see that the SIG is also on. So we have both the alarm and the SIG on. So this is how you know that an alarm is on and that the hourly beep is on. If I press the adjust button once again, the hourly beep is off, and also the SIG disappeared from the digital screen. If I press the start button once again in order to arrive at alarm 5, that is on. I'm going to press the adjust button in order to set it off, and as you can see, it is now off. So that is how you turn on and off the alarm or the hourly chime. Now, in order to set an alarm, we are going to go to the alarm that we want to set, and in this position, you are going to press and hold the adjust button. You can see set, and now the first thing that it is going to ask you is the hours. So you can use the buttons on the right in order to go backwards, or the start button in order to go forward. You can also press and hold in order to scroll faster, so speed scroll. Let's go to 6:30. Now if I press the mode button once, I can now set the minutes. I'm going to also use the speed scroll function. If you go past it, you can always go backwards using the light button. So one more thing that you need to remember is that each time you start to adjust a certain alarm, that alarm from now on will be on. So each time you go to set an alarm, it will automatically also turn it on. So this is something that you need to remember. Now I'm going to press the adjust button, and now we have the alarm on at 6:30. If I want to turn it off, I press the adjust button, and now as you can see, this has been memorized to 6:30. So each time I want to go and activate it, it will remember 6:30. If I press the start button, I will go to alarm 2. I can press and hold the adjust button, set it to a different hour, let's say 12. And I press the adjust button in order to have it activated. Also, once again, now the alarm is on, and also the ALM on the dial is on. If I press the adjust button, now the alarm is off. If you press the mode button, you are going to arrive at time, and that is the home screen. So guys, that was the quick tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. If so, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to learn more about your Casio GA-2100, make sure to check out the rest of our videos because we have all the functions explained. Subscribe, and I'm going to see you on the next video.